Today we'll talk about how can you select, who can view your stories on your wake app. We're going to figure out the selection on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on settings and come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on privacy here. When you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open video. So then you go down here, you keep going down here. So then you come here to stories and you click here on who can view my stories here. Then here can you create your story first. Then when you create it, and then it's going to take you to choose who can see or view your stories. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.